Wemwega. Welcome back to Kikuyu Lessons with Wanjiru. My name is Wanjiru. Here we learn the Kikuyu language and the culture. If you are a new student here, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends. Today I want to repeat my first ever lesson, which was the Kikuyu alphabet. Why, you ask? Because I feel like that video does not have all the details that you need to learn the alphabet. So, shall we begin? So I'm going to start with the vowel sounds. Kikuyu language has 7 vowel sounds. So the first ones are these ones, the 5 that are in English and are also in Swahili. But we have 2 extra, which are A and O. A and O. So our vowel sounds, which are also known as Ndemwa ngabi. Ndemwa means letters. Ngabi comes from the word kugaba, which means to sound. Kugaba, to sound. So that's why we call them Ndemwa ngabi, because we are actually saying the sound, the letter sounds or sound letters. Alright, which are A, E, O, U, A, O. A, E, O, U, A, O. Also, in some schools, they may write it in this other format, which is A, E, A, O, U, O. A, E, A, O, U, O. Like that. But then I learned Kikuyu language from class 2 to class 4. We used to sing the vowel sound song like A, E, O, U, A, O. Ma, me, mi, ma, mu, me, mo. Na, 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 na. So our format was A, E, O, U, A, and O. Now let's look at the difference in pronunciation between A and A. How do you read this word? Let. How do you read this other one? Lit. So let and lit. The A in let is our A sound. The A in let is our A sound. I'm sure we can't say house to let. It will always be house to let. The difference between O and O is this. How do you read this word? Goat. This other one, goat. So there's goat and goat. The O in goat is our O sound. The O in goat is our O sound. So that's the only way I can tell you the difference between these letters. So anytime you want to pronounce this letter, just remember goat. If you want to pronounce this other one, A, remember the word let or ate. I ate. So the A in ate, the A in let. For the first sound, which will always be A in Kikuyu, we have the word aria. Aria, which means speak. Aria. For example, speak to mom. Aria na maito. Aria na maito. Or areria. Areria maito. Areria maito. This A will always be A. It is not E. It will always be A. We have the word like wait. Wait in Kikuyu is eterera. 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 Wait. For example, wait for Wanjiku. Eterera wajiko. Eterera wajiko. So it will always be A. It's not E. Our third sound is our E. E. For example, sing. Ina. 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 Sing. An example, sing a song. Ina ruibo. Ina ruibo. Next we have O. O is O. We have example tie, which is oha. Oha. Oha means tie. Not the tie that we put on here, to tie. Oha. For example, tie that load. I will say oha murigo osio. Oha murigo osio. Murigo is muzigo. So load will be murigo in Kikuyu. Our fifth sound is U. It's not U, it is U. Always U. For example, say. Say is uga. Say something. Say something. Uga odo. Uga kaodo. Uga odo. Say something. Uga odo or uga kaodo. Because whenever you go to maybe an event, people will say uga kaodo. Say something. Uga kaodo. Our sixth sound is A. A. It is always A. For example, accept. Accept is etekera. 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 So it will always be A. Accept this gift. Etekera kiheo geke. Etekera kiheo geke. Kiheo is gift. Our last sound is O. 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 For example, ask. Oria. Oria. Ask a question. Oria Kyoria. Oria Kyoria. So thank you so much for watching this video. I wanted to do just one video for the whole alphabet, but it's not possible. So watch the next video for the consonants. Tonene.